Hi friends, welcome back everyone to day number 21 of our live trading campaign. Friends, today's quote gives me a lot of enthusiasm, lot of josh, and the quote is: "Life is all about taking risk. If you never take a risk, you will never achieve your dreams." Friends, the same thing has happened even in our campaign as well, where we had losses, continuous losses, and then there were many who were trading along with me started doubting that yes, there is some mistake, should we change the strategy, should we change the analysis, should we change the trend, should we do this, should we do that. There are many questions which were coming when we had two losses, but only one thing, if at all you are remembering, I was telling that don't change, stick to the same thing. Don't change, stick to the same thing. And friends, today again we came back to profit, and almost we are in profit once again. The entire month is in profit, the entire campaign is in profit, and this is life all about. You have to take the risk. Don't doubt yourself. Take the risk and go towards your dream. Okay, so without wasting much time, let me show you today's live trading video. Today was a very good day, and the movement was very good, excellent in Hindustan Petroleum. The stock was initially very difficult to identify because we had to scrutinize, we had to check as per our criteria, and then finally we identified the stock. The stock was Hindustan Petroleum, and the levels were 251.5, and let us calculate the target of 0.6%, which comes to 1.5. Okay, so it's very easy, simple calculation. Target is going to be 1.5. Similarly, let us calculate even the stop loss as well. So it is 250 or 251 into 0.4%, which comes to 1. Okay, so if the stop loss is 1, then quantity automatically will be 1000. Very easy calculation. And then let us also place our order for sell as well, because we have to place both the orders. We keep the buy and also the sell. So 250, 249, and the target is 1.5, and the stop loss is 1. Quantity is 1000. Okay, so you can see that both the orders are trigger pending. This is what we have to do daily, nothing else. Just place both the orders and leave for the market to take its direction. Let us not predict whether it goes up or whether it goes down. We only have to identify the trend, whether it is ranging or whether it is trending. That's it, and accordingly we place the trade. Okay, so end of the day, this was a profit. This is the trading app Zerodha, Upstock, which I use. We can see the entry sell average price is 253, buy average price is 251.10. Okay, so our buy order of 251.50 was triggered and we sold it at 253. So let us quickly update into our Excel as well. So day number 21 on 7th, which we traded, the stock was Hindustan Petroleum. So short form is HPCL, and the profit is 1500. So you can see once again we are back to 12,256, almost 25% returns. Yes, the number seems to be very lucrative, but friends, 25% returns every month is not something which I assure you every time, because this figure is a person who is having 8 years experience. So don't think you'll also get the same 25% returns every month. 25% month per month is also strange for me as well, in the sense it happens very rarely, but minimum we can expect 10% at least. That is what everybody are able to get. Okay, so last but not the least, as you all know, I have started the option trading tactics. It is not a trading strategy, it's a tactic where you will be learning the adjustments. It's a positional trading where best suited for working people, because we have to just move our positions, adjust our positions once in a week. I'll tell you the secrets, I'll tell you the methods, and the results have been excellent in 2019, 18 and 17 as well. In case if you want to learn it, you can just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. It's a 5-part course where in case if you don't know basics, then it will be 6-part course, but if you know basics, then it will be just 5-part course. Yeah. And last but not the least, people those who want to join Upstock, use the link which I provide in the description of this video. You will be getting 50% discount on my training fees as well. So why not make use of the facility? And also Upstock is a very good trading platform. I've been using it daily You just can trade in your mobile itself. It's got notifications update, as well as bracket orders for commodities as well. So lots of benefits in Upstock. So avail the facilities as well. Okay friends, so happy to continue the same journey. Thank you and have a nice day.